I think it's pretty sunny out.
Yeah, it's very sunny.
Sunny. Someone needs to sleep. You know. Look at it, it's so pretty. Oh, that's my window. And this is the other window. And this is in my window. See, hold on. This. She doesn't belong in my window, but I bet she's just sitting there to look cool. I will do that too. I'll be a copier.
Usually it's the other way around.
I'm gonna build a snowman.
Whoa.
I'm gonna build a snowman.
You can see it falling, or maybe you can't do that.
When everything falls back down.
It looks like it's
That's when
raining.
you'll be trapped in your house.
Whoa, that looks so cool. Look at that.
I know, I see. And that is a penguin. Its name is Dan. And this is a snowman. Bye-bye. See you in the morning. Bye-bye. Do you think Tori will have school?